If you like non-traditional tacos and cheap tequila, then this episode's for you. Welcome back to Shef Satt, the show where we have no idea what we're doing, and today we're going to be making some tacos and some tequila cocktails. I do have a lovely taste tester, Javier. He's over there. You'll see him later. We're going to be making crispy baked tacos, cheeseburger tacos, and for drinks we have the Prado and the Matador. So without further ado, let us chef. So I'm lining this pan with olive oil. We're dicing these onions up a little bit. I'm just going to throw these in there. I'm going to take some ground beef, put that in there. We need a little more oil in this. Just a little more. Just a little more. Yeah. Once again, we were hit with the dreaded can opener because I can't open cans correctly because I'm a lefty. And this is a dollar store can opener. Thanks, Mom. I mean that genuinely. I love you. Tomato paste is so tasty. Put that in like arroz con pollo and arroz con gandules, and it's just delicious. Put some minced garlic in there, mix that around. This smells really good, by the way. We're gonna put some paprika and some salt. We're gonna take these tortillas. I was gonna say tortilla chips, but they're not chips yet. Gonna oil up a few of them, put it on a sheet here. We're gonna make 4 tacos. 3 tacos, actually. There's probably a way better way of doing this, and a tool, like a brush, but I don't own one. So we're doing it the monkey ball style. You play monkey ball? You play monkey ball. You know when you have to like, never mind. No. Never mind. I think this meat is done, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. Yeah. I may be stupid, but at least y'all eat good. Take this out. Don't give me that look. Don't look at these things. Oh, I see it in your face. Sky. There is such a high chance that this stuff sucks. But you can't blame me because I got it off the internet. Can you trust everything on the internet? Absolutely. So we're gonna put some cheese here, grommet. Shut up. Thank you. Just get some good meatage in there. Take these and fold them over like that. Fold them over. We're gonna put those back in there for about 10 minutes and then see what happens. Hopefully they're good. In the meantime, I'm gonna make a drink. Welcome to my office. I went into the liquor store and I was like, hey, you got cheap tequila? And he's like, yeah, this one's $30. I was like, lower. He's like, all right. This one's 24. I was like, lower. He's like, this one's 14. I was like, I'll take it. I'm not a tequila connoisseur, I prefer mezcal. We have a shot glass, which is 1.5 ounces. I don't actually have the measuring thingy. As you know, the Broke Boy shaker, which is just a mason jar. Do a few ice cubes in here. 3 ounces tequila. A lemon. I thought I had a juicer. I do not. So, hand juice it is. 1.5, so pretty much a full shot glass of lemon juice.
Squeeze all your money.
The problem now is there's seeds in it. You're gonna have seeds in your drink. Enjoy. All right, so now we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of maraschino juice. Now, you're supposed to do maraschino liqueur, but guess who doesn't have that? And some little itty bitty vodka to make the liqueur part. That was too itty bitty. And then 4 dashes of grenadine, it says.
Oh, 12 dashes.
That was 12 dashes of grenadine. Take this.
Gotta use your hands.
No, I don't want to get them sticky. Now, I don't have a strainer, but I do have
No skills.
skills.
Ooh, look at that, bro. That was very pretty. That was very aesthetic.
Thank you. And there we go. That sounds like tacos. There we have a Prado. Let's go back to the tacos. Have to run to switch that around. Thanks for that. Gotta take these out. Ooh, that's kinda, not gonna lie, kinda looks good. Look at it. I'm gonna try and carefully flip these. Careful flip. That wasn't too careful, but it's careful enough. Careful flip. Ah, it was hot. Back in we go for another probably 15 minutes because these are not crispy, crunchy like they should be. And in that time, I'm gonna make the sauce for it. That was the worst cutting of a lime. This is totally lime. Avocado. Okay. Avocado. Got the peanut gallery behind me. Now we're gonna put great value Greek yogurt. Do the same thing I did with the lemon. Squeeze the ever-loving daylights out of the lime and miss completely. It's all over me instead. Then I'm gonna put some cilantro in there, some minced garlic, and water. I hope this is good. This is only recipe 1. What am I doing with my life? Wow, look at that. That looks cool. We have our green sauce. Still have a little bit of time waiting for that, so we'll see you when it's ready. Ooh, yeah. That kind of looks good. Not fully, but kind of. All right, we're gonna plate these things, and we're gonna give them the hobby with the drinks.
Hi guys, it's Javi. He brought me here out of the kindness of his heart, and he cooked some sort of meal for me. I'm eternally grateful, but it might be terrible.
It might be so bad.
You got the ogre snot.
Ooh, hot.
You know, I came in here fully planning on like grossly overreacting, you know, covering my mouth, vomiting, all 9 yards, you know, all of it. It's not that bad. It's good, actually.
It's pretty good.
Hats off to you, sir. No pun intended. It's really good.
It's not bad.
It's refreshing.
I like it. 7 out of 10? Maybe 6, maybe 6.
Really? I was gonna say around like 7, maybe 7.5, you know what I'm saying?
On to the next. We're gonna take our tortillas, take the other half of our ground beef, take the tortilla. You're gonna wanna push down the beef onto the tortilla like this. Just previously we did olive oil and it wasn't that good. Javi said use butter, so I'm gonna use butter. I'm gonna get some salt and pepper. Get a lot of pepper going on these. I'm gonna take this and you're gonna gently place that upside down. I'm gonna wash this because there's meat on it. Wash things that have meat on it. I know you do, but I'm just saying. Lettuce. Fun fact, you can put this in a glass of water or jar or something and it'll grow and you'll get full new shoots going up. It's like a Kobe Jack instead of American. I'm gonna put a slice of cheese on top of there. It's looking so good. Come in. Light work, no reaction. Lay them over there. This guy under here. That was so fast. Compared to the other one, that was like, we'll see you at the first bite of this one. No, we won't. I gotta make a drink. I forgot about that. Throw some ice in there. And then we have 2 ounces of tequila, juice of half of a lime. Now these limes are way better than the other limes. Let's get
Yeah, you got this strength up.
100% pure pineapple juice. Now we pour it in here. Oh! That's not where we're supposed to go. We're supposed to go in here. Start a cooking show, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They being me.
I'm having fun.
I'm sure you are. Another straining action. Ta-da! Drink number 2. Now it's time for the big bite. The first bite. The second bite. I would say fold it like a taco. And you get this, that thing is beefy, bro.
That was the one.
That's pretty good. It really is a perfect crossover of a burger and a taco.
It's genius is what it is. What would this be, American, Asian fusion? Mexican fusion?
That's good too. So all in all, pretty good food. This burger thing is 10 out of 10. The other one was pretty good. It could be better. Trying to get this thing weekly. I want to do Chef Saturdays. Welcome to the first episode of Chef Saturdays. Thank you so much, Javier, for coming. Very much appreciate your input. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next episode of Chef Satt. Bon appetit.